We understand that there is some frustration with some of our customers with the time that it's taken to restore power. And some of you have even asked, why did my original restoration time change to a new time that's farther out? There are many reasons that go into answering this question. The main reason is a situation of what we call trouble behind trouble. Now, for instance, let's say we've identified a wire down event and we found the cause of the outage. Our crews go out, make repairs to the wire down event, repair the line, and we go to energize the line. Now the line does not energize, it immediately de-energizes. Now we have trouble behind trouble. There's additional work that wasn't identified that we have to go out and identify where the cause is and be able to restore the line. Now we go out and we do some patrolling and we identify that when the wind came through, it did not break a branch, but it just bent it a little bit, and now it's causing two of our lines to touch, and that's causing the issue with being able to energize the line. We go and we remove the branch from the two lines. The lines have the proper spacing, and now we've energized the line and we restore power to our customers. So trouble behind trouble. There's one cause, the original cause that caused the outage, and then another cause that's preventing us from being able to energize the line.